Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Brain Trend Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify the market trend and also marks support and resistance points and areas on the chart for us. In this way, when we have blue points, it indicates the start of an upward trend, and this point and area are displayed as a support.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Area on the chart. And when we have red points, it indicates the start of a downward trend, and this area is considered a resistance area. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the number of candles that it goes back on the chart and performs calculations on. And the next option is for alerts, which if set to true, will issue an alert for us whenever any of these points appear. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform together. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform together. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.